Let's learn some colors. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 colors. Red color, light green color, yellow color, white color, light blue color, black color, orange color, pink color, brown color, blue colors.